What do you got? Let's put that in my toy box. Here, look up. Oh, go ahead in. Go ahead in. Come on. Come on, you goof. Is that the only spot that has a squeaker?
The middle of it has a curling noise thing. You gotta.
That doesn't work.
Yeah, it does. You're doing it right.
Drop it.
He'll figure it out.
Murphy, got one more. Murphy, look. Oh, go get it. Is he just biting on the ear?
Yeah.
The other end, Murph. Let go. Let go. Here. The other end. You found the other ear. He's a little brat. Tissue paper was a good idea, you know? You can rip it open. That paper was really thick. What you got, Murph? What's in there? You got puppy dog? He's getting it all in his... I don't want him to get the dye in his mouth. Should I pull it out for him?
He spits it out himself.
He's gonna be pooped after this.
It's like, hey, this is my gift. Don't open it.
It's got green tissue paper. Murph! Show mommy. Oh, I wanted him to look up at you while you had the paper on. Go get it. What's in there? What is that?